What is that one thing that truly determines the success that you're going to have in life, the success that you're going to have in business, the success that you're going to have in your relationships? That one thing is direction. It's direction. And who gives you direction? A mentor gives you direction. A guru gives you direction. A teacher gives you direction. I'll share something with you. All my life, so when I was like in my early teens, I used to be a very mediocre kid. I used to get like, I still remember, I used to get 17 out of 80 in my maths exams, 17 out of 80, like 17 out of 80, when I was in my class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th standard. I used to be really, really poor at studies. We were already passing through a huge financial crisis, and it already used to be a very big issue for my family to arrange for our school fees, our tuition fees, and everything else. We did not have our own house. We were paying rent every single month. It used to be very, very, very challenging for my family to arrange the money for this. All right, and I was a very mediocre kid. When I came into my class 8th, I joined, a coaching center. It was a coaching center for maths and science. I found someone. That's when I found my first mentor. I found someone who made me believe in myself. Who made me realize that I'm a lot more than I think. In my class 8th, my marks started improving. In class 9th, so from 17 out of 80, I reached 70 out of 80. In class 10th, I had 84% in my math and in my science. Like in math, I think I had 84. In science, I had something in 80s as well. In class 11th, I topped my coaching institute. In class 12th, I topped my school. Now you must be like, why is this guy talking about his studies? Now listen, I'm not talking about studies. If you feel I'm talking about studies right now, I want you to go away, shut this video right now. What I'm talking about is mentorship. What I'm talking about is direction. You want someone who makes you believe in yourself, because once you start believing in yourself, nothing would be able to stop you. And I've been doing this, I've seen this happening in my life over and over again. My first mentor was when I was in my class 8th. When I was in my class 8, I was almost 14 years old, 15 years old. That's when I found my first mentor. He just made me believe in myself. And my results started to come. So when you're in school, results for you mean the marks that you get. That's what results were for me. My marks were everything for me. So from a 50%er who used to get 50, 51%, 54%, sometimes 40%, to becoming a 95.5%er in my class 12th. I traveled a journey. Did it happen this way? No, it took time. I worked every day for it. I studied every day for it. I did a lot of hard work. I did. But it wouldn't have been possible if I did not have my mentor. Alright, after class 12th, when we started working, I went to college. In college, I had another mentor. So after, getting into college, I started doing marketing, digital marketing, sales internships. I had a mentor. I used to look up to this guy, and he taught me, how do I need to work on my career? How do I need to identify what I'm good at? What do I need to do to reach where I want to do? Because I was exploring, I did not know what I want to do. I got into an engineering college and I did not know what exactly should I be doing, because engineering was not my cup of tea. I invested 3 years. It took me 3 years to identify what I truly want to do. I had a mentor there. After graduating from college, now for 3 years straight, we were not able to make money with internet marketing. After 3 years straight, I had another mentor. He taught us how to make money by publishing Kindle books, by publishing books on Amazon. We made our first dollar on the internet because of that mentor. After that, we started launching products. We had another mentor from South India, from Hyderabad. He taught us how to launch products, how to get affiliates, how to do email marketing. After that, we had another mentor who taught us how to do email marketing from scratch, how to make 4 figures from email marketing every single month. We had another mentor, and after college we were actually paying these guys to learn whatever we were having. They were more of coaches. Nothing comes from free. So when I was in school, I paid my mentor. He owned a coaching center. When I was in my college, I was working under a mentor who was showing me direction. So I was making money for him. After that, the mentor who taught me Kindle, he was making money from what I was doing. After that, when we had this guy for email marketing, for product launches, both these guys, they charged money for it. Nothing comes for free. Nothing comes for free. You have to pay a price for success. Koi vela nahi hai. No one's not going to just sit like that and tell you that this is what you do. Everyone has shit to deal with every single day. Everyone has problems to solve. Everyone has families. Everyone has health problems. Everyone has financial problems. If you see a millionaire right now, listen, even he has money problems. he has problems to solve as well. If you see a billionaire, he has money problems as well, I'm telling you. Coming back, product launches, email marketing. After that, we got into e-commerce. We paid our mentor, the person who taught us in e-commerce, we paid him a huge chunk of money. We paid everything that we had back then after 2 years of work in our business. All right, he taught us how to do print on demand, how to do e-commerce. And then we had another mentor. We invested in a lot of masterminds. We've had a lot of mentors here. And what I can tell you from experience, wherever we are today, and we still have a long way to go, by the way, we wouldn't be here without our mentors. Starting from the coaching institute that helped me go from 50 to 95.5 in my school, from the mentor who made me go from not knowing myself and not knowing what I was good at to knowing what I want to do and what I'm good at, to the person who went us from not making money for 3 years straight to making a first dollar on the internet, from the person who taught us from making $0 in email marketing to 4 figures in email marketing every single month, from the person who got us from not making any money with e-commerce for 6 months straight and going up to almost $500,000 a month. We've had mentors. We've had a lot of mentors and we've paid a price for it, and we are still doing it every single day, even today. We have mentors and we pay a price for it. So listen, one thing if you want to take away is this: you want to have the right mentor, you want to have the right direction. And now if the question is going to be how do I find them, they're already around you, my friends. They're already around you. The person is already around you. You just want to reach out. You want to share what you want, and you should be ready to pay the price for it. Nothing comes for free. And even if someone mentors you for free, it's rare. And even if they do it, great. But listen, you want to have their skin in the game. You want them to be involved. You just don't want them to do a formality for you. If you really want them in your business, if you really want them to make a change in your lives, you should be ready to pay a price for it. I want you to think about that. And if this makes sense to you, I want you to leave in a comment right now. If this makes sense to you, I want you to leave in a comment right now. And if you need any help in your business, in your life, whatever it is, you know what you need to do. I want you to reach out to me. All right. That's it for this one. I'm going to talk to you soon.